Introducing O.A.K, the Onewheel Airtag keeper. This is the installation method. After pairing Apple AirTag to your iOS device, take the Apple AirTag and insert it into the keeper. This is the placement of where the AirTag keeper will be attached. Remove the front bumper screws to begin removing the front sensor pad. Flip the board over and use the 1/8 Allen wrench to remove the sensor pad. If you have original hardware, use the 1/8 Allen wrench to remove the front bumper screws as well. Lift up sensor pad and find placement on the right side bottom of the sensor pad, and that's where you'll place the AirTag keeper. Remove the double-sided tape backing and attach Onewheel AirTag keeper specifically where the video shows. Replace the screws and tighten sensor pad back to the board. Test the AirTag with the Find My app on your iOS device, such as the iPhone. This concludes the O.A.K installation video. Thank you for watching.